hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. So, how are you all? कैसे हो आप सब? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Just a minute. Yep. So let's see what we have in today's question. Let's check that out. Let's first. Let's copy this. So okay, let me check. Chalo, let me just go on with this. So ठीक है, चलो let's continue with this question. So this is what we have right in front of us. It's like assignment plus doubts session. ठीक है. So where were we, what assignment we were doing? Let me check that out first. Okay, so I think we were in assignment number 3. ठीक है, we were doing assignment number 3 at that time, and question number 1 was there. ठीक है, so let's go and check this out. Question 1 was done and question 2 was there, right? So what's in question 2? No city null was also there, ship date also done, total quantity sold by. Okay, this is what we have to do in question number, what it is all about, question number 5, right? So So this is actually what question number 5. ठीक है. So this is what this is question number 5, right? So find the total quantity sold for each subcategory. This is the question that we have to do. ठीक है. So it is like total quantity sold for each subcategory. So what it is all about, to be honest, if I tell you to give your observations in this, it is all about subcategory and all about quantity. ठीक है. Quantity sum will be done, subcategory point of view will be done. ठीक है. So you have to find out the total quantity in subcategory point of view. So simple, it will be grouped by subcategory. ठीक है. Simple. Why? Because we will be using like this, we will be using aggregate function. So sum of quantity, then we will be doing group by subcategory, right? So this is the this is what our point of view and this is what our dry run is all about. ठीक है. So anybody have any doubt in this? We will now go to the SQL environment and do our work in that. ठीक है. So anything you need to ask in this, you can ask your doubts, right? Anything you need to ask, you can ask your doubts in this. Related to group by, if you want to ask, you can ask, and related to any aggregate function, if you want to ask something, you can ask. No worries for that. So anything you need to ask in this, you can ask your doubts in this, right? Okay, let me see. We have, let me check my stream is working or not. See, do we have something here in this? Okay, no queries till now, no worries for that. Okay, let me just share you something related to today's SQL topic that we have learned from the course. So this is the thing. Hey, hi Karthik, welcome to live stream. Hi Karthik, welcome to live stream. Okay, let's go to the SQL environment and let's write the query. Select everything from the table. This is the table that we will be working on, right? Let's see what things do we have here. What things do we actually need from this question. We need quantity, and second thing what we need simple subcategory, right? We need subcategory. ठीक है, we need quantity and we need what subcategory, simple as it is. ठीक है, so let's see what column do we actually need to work out on. Do we have the we have subcategory in front of us and also we have quantity in front of us. So what we will do, we will write first subcategory, then we have to write sum of quantity as total quantity. ठीक है, then we will write group by subcategory. ठीक है, and when we execute it, what we will get, see this is what it is all about. There are 21 rows. ठीक है, 21 rows का मतलब right, 21 rows का मतलब क्या है, there are 21 subcategories, that's it, that's the thing. So I hope it is clear. If you have any more doubts here, you can ask your doubts in this, or anything related to SQL, anything you need to ask, you can ask, right? Okay, we have one query from Tejas. Hi Tejas, welcome to live stream. Hi Tejas, welcome to live stream. So what question do we have? SQL query execute करने के बाद क्या करते हैं, लाइक सेव करेंगे. यू कैन सेव इट. अगर अच्छा, जैसे कि आपने बोला कि गिटहब पे अपलोड करना है, राइट? सिंपल जो भी आप प्रोजेक्ट बनाए हो ना, उसमें आप ऑब्वियसली क्वेरीज लिखोगे SQL इन्वायरमेंट पे. लिखने के बाद सेव इट, और वो .SQL वे में सेव रहेगा. ठीक है, सेव करने के बाद गिटहब में जाके एक फ़ोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर आपको क्रिएट करना होगा. ठीक है मतलब जब मैं गिटहब में अपलोड कर रहा था प्रोग्राम्स, आई मीन टू से जितने मेरे प्रोजेक्ट्स वगैरह, मतलब 2020 का बात है, उस टाइम तो हम लोग फ़ोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर बनाया करते थे. अभी पता नहीं कुछ अलग सिनेरियो है कि नहीं, क्योंकि बहुत टाइम से मैंने गिटहब यूज़ नहीं किया. तो अब आज भी अगर फ़ोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है तो आपको ऐसे ही फ़ोल्डर क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा, जिसमें कि आपको अलग अलग टाइप के रिक्वायरमेंट्स देने पड़ेंगे. जैसे पहला रिक्वायरमेंट क्वेश्चन, पहले फ़ोल्डर में आपको क्वेश्चंस जैसे है, दूसरे फोल्डर्स में आपको SQL क्वेरीज, इस तरीके से. ठीक है, आपको लिखना है. तीसरे फोल्डर में जैसे आप टेबल वगैरह जो है वो सब अपलोड किया आपने. चौथे फोल्डर में जैसे आपने एक्सेल का सारा टेबल जो है एक्सेल फोल्डर में. अगर आप मेरा गूगल ड्राइव देखो, जैसे कि मैंने सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स में किया है गूगल ड्राइव रिलेटेड, मैंने क्या किया है, मैंने गिटहब में तो नहीं डाला, मैंने क्या किया, गूगल ड्राइव में ही अलग अलग फोल्डर्स बनाए, राइट? मैंने टेबल का एक फ़ोल्डर रखा रिक्वायरमेंट के लिए, नॉट रिक्वायरमेंट, टेबल का फ़ोल्डर रखा है. फिर SQL क्वेरीज़ का फ़ोल्डर रखा है फॉर द टेबल. देन एक्सेल के भी फ़ोल्डर रखे हुए हैं. ठीक है, उस फोल्डर में एक्सेल शीट्स भी मैंने दिया हुआ है, ऑल दो स्टफ्स. ठीक है, तो सेम टाइप से आपको गिटहब में भी करना है, आपको फ़ोल्डर क्रिएट करना है, जैसे कि मैंने गूगल ड्राइव में किया हुआ है सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए, राइट? उस तरीके से. ठीक है, तो यू हैव टू डू दैट एंड दैट्स हाउ इट इज़ डन. ठीक है, और बाकी क्वेरीज़ का ट्रैक कैसे रखें, क्वेरीज़ का ट्रैक आपको रखना है तो आपको इजीली कमांड वे में रखना पड़ेगा. SQL में कमांड कैसे लिखते हैं, ऐसे डैश करके लिखोगे, जैसे आप लिखोगे ऐसे रिक्वायरमेंट 1. ठीक है, इस तरीके से लिखोगे तो ये हो जाएगा क्या, कमेंट वे इन SQL. ठीक है, इस तरीके से. ठीक, अगर मैं आपको सीक्वल प्लेटफॉर्म में दिखाऊँ इधर ही, जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ दिया हुआ है कमेंट सेक्शन, ठीक है, तो ऐसे कि आपको जैसे मैंने यहाँ लिख देता हूँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, ठीक, शायद 5 है कि हाँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है, ठीक है। इस तरीके से आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 लिखना है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 लिखने का जैसे कि मैंने लिखा है कमांड में, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 लिखने के बाद यू हैव टू राइट द क्वेरी, ठीक है। तो अगर आप उसको सिलेक्ट करके एग्जीक्यूट भी करते हो ना, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता, वो जस्ट कमांड, आई मीन टू से वो जस्ट कमेंट डाउन करने के लिए ही होता है सीक्वल में, राइट। तो जैसे आप जो जो रिक्वायरमेंट्स फाइंड आउट करते हो सीक्वल में, आप उसी हिसाब से आप कमेंट डाउन कर दो, ताकि आपको भी ईजी हो समझने के लिए कि हाँ मैंने इस रिक्वायरमेंट के लिए ये वाला क्वेरी लिखा है, और जो सामने वाला बंदा देख रहा होता है आपका लाइक गिटहब एंड ऑल, उसको भी आइडिया होगी चलो दिस इज़ व्हाट रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर दिस, मतलब इस रिक्वायरमेंट का ये वाला सीक्वल क्वेरी है, सेकेंड रिक्वायरमेंट का ये वाला सीक्वल क्वेरी है, इस तरीके से, राइट। इस टाइप से आप कर सकते हो, ठीक है। दिस इज हाउ यू कैन डू इट, राइट। हाय कार्तिक, नाइस, चलो थैंक यू कार्तिक। और एनी मोर डाउट्स? नो, वी ओनली वी हैव तेजस एंड कार्तिक, so anybody have any more doubts in the live stream, you can ask your doubts, right? So anybody have any doubts in the live stream, just ask your doubts related to this. तेजस, ओके, थैंक यू, चले तो वेलकम भाई, वेलकम तेजस। एंड वन मोर थिंग, लेट मी टेल यू तेजस, आप लिंक्डइन में भी इस प्रोजेक्ट को अपलोड करो। कैसे अपलोड करोगे? जो आप पोस्ट बनाओगे ना लिंक्डइन का, उस पर आपको स्क्रीनशॉट डालना अपने प्रोजेक्ट रिलेटेड, और गिटहब का भी लिंक डाल देना। तो क्या रहेगा, लिंक्डइन में भी देखो बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे हैं रिक्रूटर वे में रहेंगे, या तो आप ही की तरह कोई मतलब कैंडिडेट्स होंगे जो सीक्वल प्रैक्टिस कर रहा होगा या तो पाइथन प्रैक्टिस कर रहा होगा, राइट। तो वो भी जब आपका पोस्ट फाइंड आउट करेगा, उसको भी आपके बारे में पता चलेगा, एंड ही विल ऑल्सो कोलैबोरेट इन फ्यूचर अबाउट प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड ऑल दो स्टफ्स, राइट। और हाँ, जब आप पोस्ट लिखोगे लास्ट में हैशटैग सीक्वल, हैशटैग पाइथन, हैशटैग DA, इस तरीके से हैशटैग्स दे देना एंड में, ठीक है। तो वो और भी ईजी होगा आपका पोस्ट। सपोज कोई अगर सीक्वल रिलेटेड कुछ सर्च कर रहा है, तो आपका पोस्ट भी उस लाइनअप में रहेगा, तो उन्हें भी आइडिया होगा आपके बारे में, ठीक है। ओके, वी हैव 2 क्वेरीज फ्रॉम कार्तिक, नाइस, या थैंक यू ब्रो कार्तिक, थैंक यू। जस्ट अ मिनट, ठीक है। सो आप लिंक्डइन में भी उसको अपलोड करना, ठीक, बिकॉज लिंक्डइन में भी ज़्यादा लोग रहेंगे, आइडिया रहेगा। ओके, वी हैव वन मोर क्वेरी। 4 इयर्स के एक्सपीरियंस के लिए इंटरव्यू में क्वेरी स्ट्रक्चर, यस क्वेरी स्ट्रक्चर वो लोग चेक करते हैं नॉर्मली। क्वेरी स्ट्रक्चर वो लोग देखो, जब तक आप मैनेजरियल पोस्ट के लिए अप्लाई नहीं करते ना, अगर आप मैनेजरियल पोस्ट के लिए अप्लाई करते हो, नो वरीज फॉर दैट। ओके, वी हैव वन, मतलब कीवर्ड्स कैपिटल में सिलेक्ट के नीचे फ्रॉम देन वेयर ग्रुप बाय लाइक दिस, वो तो वो रहेगा आपका जो आप बोल रहे हो ना, सिलेक्ट के नीचे फ्रॉम वेयर, वो सब जो है आप बोल रहे हो, वो तो आपका क्या बोलते हैं उसको, ऑर्डर ऑफ एग्जीक्यूशन है, वो तो नॉर्मल रहेगा, ठीक है। रिलेटेड टू द कैपिटल वर्ड वो सब प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आप कैपिटल में नहीं लिखोगे चलेगा। आप अगर सामने वाले जो इंटरव्यूअर है वो उसके क्वेश्चंस को अगर आप समझा देते हो प्रॉपरली और आंसर फाइंड आउट कर देते हो, इनकेस वो अगर आपको आंसर फाइंड आउट करने बोल रहा है या तो सिर्फ बोल रहा है कि आप लॉजिक समझा दो, दैट्स मोर देन एनफ, ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ठीक है। मेन डेटा एनालिस्ट का काम क्या होता है, टेबल को समझाना सामने वाले को, दैट्स इट। मतलब सामने वाले को अगर कुछ आइडिया नहीं हो सीक्वल के बारे में, एक्सेल के बारे में, कुछ भी आइडिया ना हो, सामने वाले को टेबल देख के समझ में आना चाहिए कि हाँ ये निकाला गया है, और वो काम आपका रहेगा उसको समझाने में, दैट्स इट। जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं स्टोरी टेलिंग एंड ऑल, जिसको हम लोग स्टोरी टेलिंग बोलते हैं, और ये किस में आता है, अपने कम्युनिकेशन में आता है, ठीक है। तो ये दोनों मेन चीज़ है फॉर डेटा एनालिस्ट, राइट। डेटा एनालिस्ट वो सबसे मेन चीज़ है फॉर अ डेटा एनालिस्ट, राइट। तो ये आपको थोड़ा टेक केयर करना पड़ेगा, दैट्स इट। बाकी जो कैपिटल लेटर वो सब का कोई दिक्कत वाला बात नहीं है, ठीक है, वो सब चलेगा। मतलब क्वेरी स्ट्रक्चर का जो है वो आपको देखो, ऑर्डर ऑफ एग्जीक्यूशन में तो आप अच्छे से लिखोगे, वरना फिर आंसर आएगा नहीं, राइट। रिलेटेड टू कैपिटल लेटर वो सब, वो कोई दिक्कत वाला बात नहीं है, ठीक है। कैपिटल लेटर होगा नहीं होगा कोई दिक्कत वाला बात नहीं है, राइट, उसमें कोई इशू नहीं है, राइट। बाकी सामने वाले को आपको प्रॉपरली समझाना आना चाहिए, और सामने वाले को समझ में आना चाहिए कि हाँ टेबल में ये पूछा गया एंड ऑल दो स्टफ्स, ठीक। दैट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट, राइट। तो anybody have any more doubt in the live stream, please ask your doubts. Anybody have any more doubts या रिलेटेड टू द क्वेश्चन जो हम लोग क्वेश्चन किए हैं अभी, वो भी अगर आप पूछ सकते हो तो भी, मतलब उससे भी अगर आप डाउट पूछ सकते हो तो इट इज़ गुड टू, राइट। So anybody have any doubt in the live stream, just ask your doubts in this. Anybody have any doubts in the live stream related to SQL, related to Excel, related to Python for data analytics, related to Power BI, just ask your doubts. So okay, let's move to the next question. What is the next question all about? Let's see. The next question is all about this. Find the employee ID where product like biscuit chips having same number of quantity sold from table name sales data. अच्छा, sales data is the table name, ठीक है। So in this question, if I ask you what is your observation, then simple what we can say from here, we can say that we have to find the employee IDs, मतलब detail of employees या तो employee IDs, ठीक है। Where biscuit and chips, there are the two products what I am seeing in this having same number of quantity, ठीक है। That means to say, suppose example I am saying employee ID product quantity, employee ID 1 2 3 like this. One we have biscuit chips, ठीक है, quantity. So in this what I will say कि like employee ID 2, in employee ID 2 what we have biscuit and chips, ठीक है, we have biscuit and chips for employee ID 2 where same number of quantity is been sold. It is like that. Although employee ID 3 is also having biscuit and chips, but the quantity sold are not same, ठीक है। This is what it is all about, ठीक है। This is what we have to actually find out in this. So what we have to find out the employee IDs, ठीक है। Let's go to the SQL environment and let's see what we have here in the table. Sixth, let's go with the sales table, right? from this. ठीक है, and when I execute it, sales table, what happened? Sales table does not exist. How come? Let's see what we have. Sales data. अच्छा, sales data is there. ठीक है, I thought sales table. Let's execute this. हाँ, so we have the table here. ठीक है, we have the table here. So what it is all about? It is like biscuit and chips are there for employee ID 1. ठीक है, biscuit and chips are there for employee ID 1. Then what things we have? We have employee ID 2. Do we have biscuit and chips in employee ID 2? No, we have only chips, so we won't select this. For 3 we have biscuit and chips again, right? So how we can find out this only employee ID 1? Because we have same number of quantity for biscuit and chips. Let's see how we can find this out. ठीक है, this one. Let's see. I would suggest select employee ID from this. Let's see where. Where product name in. First let me find out this criteria. ठीक है, these are the things. Employee ID and product name. ठीक है, this is the thing. And also let's write quantity as well. Let's see, select everything from sales data. अच्छा, it's quantity sold, and when I execute it, this is what we get. So these are the employee IDs where biscuit and chips are sold together. ठीक है, right now I will say equal to this, and I will say like this, and I would say group by. Let me do like this. Select okay, we have 2 queries. PG admin नहीं दिख रहा है, अभी दिख रहा है. Okay, so it's like employee ID where this equal to this. Right now I will say or quantity sold. Can we write like this? Okay, let me tell you one thing, let me show you one thing. Product, अभी देखो, right now what we can see, wait, product name. Right now what we can see here, we can see कि we have all the data where biscuit and chips are there, but what do we need actually? We need only the employee IDs where they have sold both biscuit and chips. So this employee ID 2 should not be there. Simple, employee ID 2 should not be there. ठीक है. Okay, we have one more query. We can use rank on quantity sold where rank equal to 1. एक्चुअली द थिंग इज तेजस हमें दोनों का सेम क्वांटिटी चाहिए बिस्किट और चिप्स में, ठीक है. आई मीन टू से एम्प्लॉई आईडीज जिसका बिस्किट और चिप्स दोनों बेचा हुआ है. सो इसमें 3 तो आउट हो गया, ओनली 1 और क्या रहेगा, ओनली 1 और 3 सॉरी 2 आउट हो गया, ओनली 1 और 3 रहेगा, ठीक है. वी हैव टू फाइंड दैट आउट, ठीक. ओनली 1 और 3 रहेगा इसमें. अगर मैं रैंक अगर 1 लिख देता हूँ तो फिर आई थिंक आप क्वांटिटी में बोल रहे हो क्या, रैंक ऑन क्वांटिटी सोल्ड. ओके, लेट्स डू दिस. We can do rank on quantity sold as well. We can do one more thing here. Let me show you this. Count on product name as product count, group by employee ID. Let me see one thing. In this also we can do one thing, ठीक है. In this we can say कि देखो एम्प्लॉय आईडी 1 और 2 में वी हैव बिस्किट एंड चिप्स, ठीक है. दिस इज वन थिंग. ऑल्सो वी कैन डू वन थिंग, काउंट ऑफ डिस्टिंक्ट. आई कैन डू दिस काउंट ऑफ डिस्टिंक्ट QTY sold as same QTY sold. Let's do this as well. Okay, so in this what we can find out, ठीक है. इसमें एक चीज़ हम लोग फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. आई मीन टू से विदाउट, यू कैन यूज़ रैंक ऑल्सो, नो वरीज फॉर दैट. आई एम यूजिंग दिस विदाउट द रैंक, जस्ट टेकिंग द बेसिक्स ऑफ काउंट एंड ऑल, ठीक है, काउंट एंड डिस्टिंक्ट. इन दिस व्हाट आई कैन से कि जो एम्प्लॉय आईडी 1, 2 और 3 है, इन दिस दे हैव बिस्किट एंड चिप्स, ठीक है, इधर बिस्किट और इधर चिप्स. वेयर प्रोडक्ट काउंट इज इक्वल टू 2, देयर आई कैन से कि दिस एम्प्लॉय आईडी 1 and 3 आर हैविंग बोथ बिस्किट एंड चिप्स. सिंपल, ठीक है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्राइटेरिया. सेकेंड क्राइटेरिया व्हाट इज लाइक, दे शुड हैव द सेम नंबर ऑफ क्वांटिटी सोल्ड. For that what I have done count of distinct quantity sold. If same number of quantity sold is there, then 1 will come obviously, because obviously distinct ले रहे हैं ना हम लोग. If 4 and 4 is there, what is the distinct of 4? It will be only 4. So count of this will be 1. So in this we can directly say group by this having count of product name equal to 2 and count of this equal to 1. Let's see, like this we can say employee ID 1 is having both product biscuit and chips and their quantity is also same. So in this way we can find out. And if you want to find out like Tejas have told with the help of rank, then also it's okay and good to go. You can go with that as well. ठीक है, let's go and check this out as well. मतलब let's go with this. I can write select everything. I will write count of rank of what, rank of quantity sold over. In this what I have to do for over, if you can say Tejas, if you want we can continue with this, like Tejas, if you want we can also continue with your suggestion, right? If you can like recite over what, over employee ID, I think so, employee ID partition by employee ID from sales data. ठीक है, let's see. Within group is required for order. Okay, sorry. So It is coming one like this. But rather than rank, we can do row number. Okay, let's do row number. It's 1 2 3 and all those stuffs. Okay, 1 2 3 and all is coming. If we do dense rank, do we get no? Dense rank, sorry, dense rank may be same RI because it's partitioned by employee ID and each and everything is having this employee ID and quantity sold. Right. Can we do this? Hey, hi Shantu, welcome to live stream. Long time. Hi Shantu, welcome to live stream. How are you? After a long time, कैसे हो? Okay, we have one more query from Tejas. We need to first group by employee ID. Okay. Employee ID, product, sum of quantity in city, then use rank. Okay. Okay. Group by employee ID, product, and sum of quantity. Like, why are we doing sum of quantity? We need only those product where same quantity is sold. So sum of quantity mein what will happen, right? Sum of quantity mein we will be adding the quantity. The thing is, we want to find out employee ID where biscuit and chips are there both and same quantity are sold in that, right? Biscuit and chips both should be there and same quantity should be there in them. Like if you see for 1 and 3, biscuit and chips are there for employee number 1 and 3, right? And for them, if we go for the second criteria, same quantity, then you can see for biscuit 4 is sold, I mean for employee ID 1, and chips also 4 it is sold. For 3, if you see, like employee ID 3 is also having biscuit and chips, but their quantity sold is not same. So 3 and 5 are there, it's not same. Take in this. So instead of doing sum of quantity, we, if you want, we can do count of quantity and all, right? If you want, you can send your this query to this mail ID. There's my mail ID. You can send your query to this, and there's a actually good question, to be honest, right? I mean, it's basics idea is there, but it's a really good question. If anybody can give any other answer with that. It would be really helpful. But anyways, in this we can also just simply use this count and go with the flow, right? But in this we have to keep only this two product name, biscuit and chips, where count of product name should be 2. 2 why? 2 for biscuit and chips both, and the count of quantity sold for this should be same because I have used distinct, that's why, right? So let's see what we have right now. What question do we have? So anybody have any doubt in this, they can ask your doubts. I can help you out in that, right? Please ask your doubts in this. I can help you out in this if anybody have any doubts related to this, like how this question came out, like how can we find out the solution from just using counts and all. And if you have any other answer to this, please share with us. Right? So in that meantime, let's go to the next question. We have one query from Karthik. Nice. Thank you, Karthik. Thank you. Let's go to the next question then. Question number 7. Right. Question number 7 is all about find the. Let me just keep it here. Find the bottom 5 subcategory in West region by total quantity sold. Find the bottom 5 subcategory in West region. So here what things do we have to take care of? We have to take care of subcategory. We have to take care of region. Also we have to take care of quantity. Okay, it is like that. So in this what things we have to take care of? We have to take care of subcategory, we have to take care of region, and also we have to take care of quantity. Take also one more thing I forgot to write it. We have to also take care of one more thing, that is limit, because 5 is there. But if you are using SQL server, then top is used, or I think SSMS, then top is used, right, in place of limit, correct? So do you have any doubts in that? You can ask your doubts. Anybody have any doubts in this? Hey, hi Charan, welcome to live stream. Hi Charan, welcome to live stream. Hi Charan, welcome to live stream. So okay, let's move to the next question then. I mean this top 5 bottom. Okay, I mean bottom 5, not top 5. So let's go and see, like select everything from this. So in this, what things do we have to take care of? In this, what things do we have to take care of? Simple, we have to take care of subcategory. Let me write it here. Subcategory, region, quantity, subcategory, region, quantity, and what? Limit. Okay, we have one query. Bro, you have changed room. Yeah, for some time I have changed my room. Maybe in 3 to 4 days I will be going back to my old setup. So right now some work is going on in my room, that's why I have changed my setup here. Just for 2 weeks, I mean to say. So in just 4 to 5 days we will be moving back to the same, I mean to say, same setup. And also I will be adding up this addition, I mean external monitor to this. Right now I am just working on the simple, I mean this only screen, that's why. We have one more query from Karthik. Nice. Yeah, thank you Karthik. So okay, in this, what things we have to take care of? We have to take care of subcategory, where it is, yeah, subcategory is there. Then we have to take care of region. Region, yeah, region is also there. So subcategory is there, region is there, quantity is there. Let's see, quantity, yeah, quantity is there. So what things we have to take care of? Subcategory, region, and quantity from this. And when I execute it, this is what we have to take care of, right? Region and this. Right now we will do some conditional work. Okay, what's the conditional work? They have given a condition like we need region from west, right? So let's go and do this, where region in west. Okay, let's execute it. Oh sorry. Okay, simple. And then what they have told, other thing, total quantity. So sum of quantity as well as total quantity. Okay, but here we have used total quantity, so we have to use these two things in group by, obviously. Let's execute it. So this is what we have find out. These are the subcategory, these are the region, and these are the top quantities. Right now what they want is like top 5. So total quantity descending and limit 5, that's it. And when we execute it, we got the solution for it, right? Hey, hi Parikshit, welcome to live stream. Hi Parikshit, welcome to live stream. So in this way we can find out the solution. We have done all the requirements here, like region in west, sum of quantity we have done it, Then after that we have to find out top 5. How can we find out top 5? Simple, just by doing order by and adding a descending here. Order by in what? Quantity. That's it. Simple. That's the thing. This is how we can find out the solution for that, right? So anybody have any doubts in this? Just ask your doubts. Anybody have any doubts in this? Just ask your doubts in the live stream. Anybody have any doubts related to this? Just ask your doubts. So let's see, do we have anything else? Okay, we have one more query. Bottom 5 ascending. Bottom 5 ascending, you can do this, but I think in post GRE SQL we cannot use bottom 5. Yeah, you can do the same thing. It is like either top 5 descending, same thing. Yeah, bottom 5 ascending, anything you can do, no worries for that. Okay, but for post GRE SQL we use limit, and when we use limit we have to use this order by descending. I think you are using like MySQL or SSMS, so for you like top and bottom can be used in select clause, right? In select clause, right? You can use it. Okay, it is also correct. Bottom 5 ascending, correct. Okay, because ascending is what, smaller to higher, right? It will keep the numbers from smaller digit from least to the highest, right? So bottom 5 is okay, good to go, right? So let me just give me 5 minutes. Just let me fill up my water bottle and come back, then we will move to the next question, right? check once. Okay, let's start with those queries, additional queries. So what question do we need to do? So we have question number 8, that is we have to find out the total sales for each region and ship mode combination for product order in this year, right? This year matlab in year 2023 I mean to say. So let's copy this and paste it here. Let me check. Yeah. So this is the question, right? This is the question. What's the question is all about? Question is all about you have to find out the total sales. Okay, what requirement we need to find out? Sales, region, ship mode, then also year, right? These are the things. So here what we will do extract. Okay, we will give a condition for the filtering of 2023 sales, sum, region no worries, ship mode no worries. Okay, so sum and year, these are the two things which we have to actually take care of, right, for the aggregate functions and all. Okay, because we aggregate now, because sum and extract all those stuffs. Let's go in this SQL environment and let's just copy all those, not copy but let's see what details can we find here from the table. So select everything from this, right, and execute it. So what things do we need? Sales. Do we have sales ka data here? Sales is here, no worries. Then what things do we need? Region, we need region. Let's see. After this, what we need? We need ship mode, right? Let's go for this. We need to find out ship mode. Okay. After this, what we need? Year. Okay. Order date. So these are the things which we need to find out. Ship mode, order date, then region and sales. ठीक है, region and sales. ठीक, these are the things which we need to find out. This means these are the columns which are involved for this question, right? So you have to find out total sales for each region. ठीक है, total sales, so sum of sales. Let's go point to point as total sales. ठीक है, total sales for each region. So region is in point of view, so group by region. ठीक है, just I am not executing it, just going with the question, that's it. Region and ship mode, okay, for each region and ship mode. चलो, region and ship mode. ठीक है, and that to year 2023. okay, extract year from this as year. ठीक है, so I will write where extract this from this equal to 2020, क्या था, 2023, but if I execute it I have to write this also in group by, so I am just removing this. So ship mode and region is there, sales is there. Let's execute it. So this is what we have find out, right? The thing is, if I would have kept this order date here, I might have to use CTE and then I have to go with the flow to get this table. So what I have done is, like, I have just removed the order date ka table and just kept the condition wala part in where clause with extract year from the order date, where year should be from 2023. ठीक है, in this way we can easily find out the answer for this question. So let me tell you one thing, what things I mean what logic and concept do we really used here. What logic do we really used here? We have used extract. Actually it's an PG SQL function. ठीक है, then we have used what, group by, then we have used sum. So these are the three things. Let me check. These are the three things which we have used. Also, if you go deep dive, then condition in extract clause. ठीक है, I mean extract function, condition in that. ठीक है, so if you have any doubts from this, just ask your doubts related to either this topics, or if it is related to SQL or Python for data analytics or Power BI, you can just ask your doubts. That's it, right? If you have any doubts related to this, please ask your doubts. So if you have any doubts related to this, please ask your doubts. If you have any doubts related to this three topics, just ask your doubts, right? I'll be really happy to help you out in this. And also, if you have any doubt which is directly or indirectly related to SQL, related to Python for data analytics, or related to Power BI, you can still ask your doubts, right? I will be really happy to help you out in this. And also please check out this actually one project, and we have also SQL course in our YouTube channel, so you can go and check that out, and it's a free SQL course and also a free project as well. Like we upload project each and every month, and also each and every day you will get a SQL topic, right, in both Hindi and English. So you can just ask your doubts in that as well. Like if you want to ask your doubts from the SQL topic, you can ask your doubts from there as well. Okay, no worries for that. So anybody have any doubts from this, just you can ask your doubts, right? Anybody have any doubts related to this, please ask your doubts. Hey, hi Omkar, welcome to live stream. Hi Omkar, welcome to live stream. So anybody have any doubts related to the logic building or the logics behind extract or group by or sum, like anything you can ask for that, right? So we will wait for a minute. In 7:58 we will move to the next question. Okay, let's wait for any doubt if you have any doubts. Just ask your doubts. Okay, we have one query from Omkar. भाई बाहर नहीं जाते क्या आप? जस्ट आस्किंग. नहीं देखो, जब क्या रहता है कि जब फ्री टाइम मिलता है देन आई गो. फ्री टाइम मिलता है देन आई गो. अभी अगर आप पूछोगे बाहर जाने का मतलब रिलेटेड टू फ्री टाइम, रिलेटेड टू एन्जॉयमेंट, जनवरी टाइम में आई जस्ट टू का ब्रेक, 2 days का ब्रेक लिया था. जनवरी 1st जनवरी, 31st December, 1st January I took 2 days का break. The main problem is my friends, like my close friends, they are into business. ठीक है, that is, and also one more thing is like wherever we go, like any trip or to any go for a party or go for a function, we go together. So the thing is कि अब वो लोग भी बिजनेस बैकग्राउंड से, उन लोग को अगर टाइम फ्री टाइम मिलता है तो ही अपन लाइक वी डू अ मीटअप एंड वी लाइक गो फॉर अ एन्जॉयमेंट एंड ऑल दो स्टफ्स. सो दैट्स द थिंग. तो एनी हाउ उन लोग को भी कम टाइम मिलता है और अपने को भी कम टाइम मिलता है, बिकॉज अपना आवरली बेसिस वाला काम रहता है क्लाइंट का. तो सैटरडे संडे मेरा भी ऐसा फ्री नहीं रहता है, बिकॉज आवरली बेसिस है एंड रिक्वायरमेंट बेसिस भी है. दैट्स द थिंग. तो बाहर जाता हूँ घूमने फिरने एंड ऑल, बट वेरी लेस, वेरी लेस, वेरी लेस. So okay, it's 7:59. So let's move to the next question. ठीक है, and in that meantime आप लोग डाउट पूछ सकते हो. anybody have any doubts, just you can ask in the between, no worries for that. So what is the next question is all about? Next question is all about this. Oops, sorry. So next question is all about find the order IDs where average of profit is greater than maximum profit. ठीक है. So Okay, we have one query from here. Why you choose freelancing over offline job? Okay, so the thing is कि freelancing में let me write it here. Freelancing में work from anywhere है always, ठीक है. Second thing, I would say no manager slash office politics. Third thing है कि it's hourly paid and OT is OT का सिस्टम नहीं है टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बट आवरली पेड है. इट्स आवरली पेड. दिस इज द थिंग. कॉर्पोरेट में क्या है, लेट मी राइट इट हियर. कॉर्पोरेट में दे से इट इज़ लाइक 8 आवर्स, ठीक है, 8 आवर्स ड्यूटी, बट एनी हाउ यू हैव टू work minimum of 10 hours average, right? But at the end of the day, मतलब जो like end of the month I would say, जब आपका मंथली सैलरी रहता है that is for 40 hours work week, ठीक है. But you as an employee, you have to work for like suppose 10 hours average, तो 5 days a week, 50 hours plus Saturday Sunday some hours, like that. So anyhow अगर आप at the end calculation देखोगे, end calculation if you see the pay scale is pay scale is not structured properly, ठीक है. Like doesn't matter you go to Amazon और कहाँ गया, you go to Amazon or you go to Microsoft or any company, yeah, same scenario is happen, same scenario has been faced by everyone, ठीक है. दैट्स द थिंग. सो दैट्स वाई मतलब, बट फ्रीलांसिंग में क्या आवरली बेस्ड है. आप 10 घंटा काम करो दिन का, आपको 10 घंटे का पेमेंट मिलेगा. आप दिन का 1 घंटा काम करो, 1 घंटे का मिलेगा. आप सैटरडे 2 घंटा काम करो, 2 घंटे का मिलेगा. आई मीन पे आउट ऐसे रहता है, ठीक है. सो इट इज़ लाइक कि आप जो सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो, लाइक यू आर वर्किंग, व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, यू आर गिविंग योर ब्रेन, यू आर गिविंग योर सर्विस टू द क्लाइंट और द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सेम. तो योर वर्क इज़ बीइंग रिस्पेक्टेड, दैट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट, ठीक है. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू कैन सी लाइक ऑफिस पॉलिटिक्स आर नॉट देयर, which I really actually don't like in any of the company. I have worked in 3 corporate sectors, right? 3 corporate sector and same scenario is there, ठीक है. तो this is what I don't like, to be honest. That's the reason I have left my corporate work and moved to here. This is some of the reasons, not the only reasons, but yeah, some of the reasons. It is not like I will never join corporate. It is not like that. If I face like this kind of scenario, some worst case scenario, or suppose I face a scenario where I have no other option rather than joining a corporate sector, then I will go back again to the corporate sector. So it is not like I am just keeping myself away from offline job. It is not like that, ठीक है. Right now scenario is good, situation is good for me right now, so that's why I choose freelancing for a full time, and also just being a YouTuber. That's it. That's the thing. And also work from home ka thing. And also one more thing, one more reason. If you are like everybody in the live stream, one more reason I can follow my hobby. That's it. Sorry, I can follow my hobby, and that's the main thing. Matlab, I would say one of the मेन रीज़न, ठीक है. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू सी व्हाट इज़ माय हॉबी, लेट मी शो यू हियर. जस्ट अ मिनट. जस्ट अ मिनट. ठीक है. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू सी, दिस इज़ माय हॉबी. लाइक हॉबी मतलब कुकिंग इज़ माय हॉबी. And if you all love cooking, wait, cooking and POV videos, then you all can check this YouTube channel. ठीक है. So this is the thing. So I hope Omkar, if you are there in the live stream, you can go and check this. Actually, cooking is my hobby. Like I would say cooking is my second hobby. First hobby is marathon running, matlab workout and running and all. Cooking is my second hobby, but that is very much close to my heart. That's why. And I love cooking, and this POV video shorts, I love to do it. That is one of the main reason why I would always go for freelancing on the first priority rather than going for this corporate. Because in corporate the thing is, see, the you have to anyhow go to the metro cities like Pune, Bangalore, Delhi, Gurgaon, and you know the rent out there. The rent is huge, means huge. Okay, so savings is not up to the mark. Plus, yeah, and this, you don't get that much time. See, right now everything is properly structured, right? Everything is properly structured, everything is on a routine. Okay, I don't have to travel from my home to my office, so this traffic things is not there. Like you go in anywhere in the world, any of the metro cities you go in the world, it is not only कि हाँ हैदराबाद बैंगलोर पुणे में ही ट्रैफिक है. You go to any metro city in the world, traffic is there. ठीक है. So like time saving is there and all those stuffs. So that is the thing. So this is my hobby which I am following. And also, if you love cooking and love this POV videos and all, you can go and check it out. Okay, and right now my videos are into organic farming and organic cooking. If you are interested in that, let me just I don't know how many of you love organic farming and organic cooking and all those stuffs. If you love this, I just showing you a video, showing you matlab just giving a link of this video. If you love this, then please you can go and watch out my videos in my second channel, where I only post videos related to cooking. ठीक है, this one. Organic vegetables for cooking. ठीक है, means this is what I like. I like matlab what we say, farming and cooking. ठीक है, I love this. I really love this. So this is what I like the most, right? Like if anybody is interested in that, you can go and watch out these videos. These are good, and all videos are into POV and ASMR, not proper ASMR, because it is in in a ground, not open ground, but our kitchen garden. So it is like that. So not that much ASMR, but yeah, kind of ASMR, but it is fully into POV, right? Point of view, matlab just like you play all those Call of Duty games and all. Like I used to play that. I am also playing right now as well when I get time, Call of Duty mobile. So it's like that. ठीक है. So okay, chalo, let's move to the this question. What we have to find out here, we have to find out the order IDs where average of profit is greater than maximum profit. ठीक है, average of profit. ठीक है, it's not only profit. Okay, but let us write what columns do we actually need here. We need profit column and profit column. ठीक है, first profit should be related to average, second should be related to max. This is just one column. ठीक है, profit is one column. Second thing is what we need to find out, order IDs. ठीक है, so it is like that, average of profit greater than maximum profit. So anybody in the live stream, if I ask you what is your observation from this, like just by not going to the SQL environment and finding the answer, can you tell me how, like what would be the answer here in this? Anybody just use your logic and just say like what would be the answer in this, like just a hint. I mean to say a hint is like, do we get any answer from this question? Just a hint. Just I just want to see whose maths is good to go. If your maths is this much, maths logic is good, then yeah, you are actually ready for data analytics. ठीक है, I would say, because this much maths is only required, like average, max, and all those stuffs, and some statistical logic and concepts are required, right? So anybody in the live stream, can you answer like what, like from this logic, what answer would we get from this logic? Like average of profit greater than max of profit. Let me write it here. Average of profit should be max of profit, right? Just anybody in the live stream, we will wait till 8:11. It is like sorry, 8:11. We will wait till 8:12 and let's see how many of you can give the answer to it, right? Like what is the logic behind it and what is your observation in this? Anybody can answer this. What's your logic behind this? Anybody in the live stream can answer it, no worries for that. Anybody in the live stream? So anybody in the live stream, if you want, you can write your answer in the live chat, right, related to this observation. So let's see. So any observation in this? Any observation in this? Like what would be the answer? Like what answer can we get from here? If average of profit is greater than max of profit. So anybody have any observation in this? You can share your observation here. Like average of profit greater than max of profit. Okay, let's move to the SQL environment and let's see what would be the answer in this. Okay, let's move to the SQL environment. I mean our SQL RDBMS. Let's copy this thing, paste it, question number 9. Okay, let's write the table name, select everything from this. Let's see what answer do we get. Okay, so here we have 2 3 details to be, I mean 2 columns to be taken care of, order ID and profit column. Okay, simple. So I will just separate it out, order ID, profit. Okay, let's execute it. When we execute it, we have received order ID and profit. So from here, what things we need to find out? Average of profit, max of profit, as max profit as average profit. Okay, here we have used this aggregate functions, so we will do group by as well. Order ID. So as per order ID, suppose this thing you see 156 order ID is there. Okay, in this what is the max? 219, and what will be the average? 219 plus 41 divided by 2 will be the average. Okay, if we do group by, then we will write where average of profit greater than max of profit. Sorry. Having because it's aggregate function. Sorry for that. So what answer do we get? We have got no answer in this. Why no answer in this? Let me explain you here. The thing is, if we find out the average here from this table, like 1 2 3 4 5, what's the average for this? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 5. 5 plus 4 9, 12, 13, 14, 15. 3 is the average. And what's the max in this series? 5. So always remember, it's like average is what? The middle value when the series is in a ascending order. Okay, that's the middle value of it. Okay, if you go like this as well, 1 2 3 4, average will be the middle value of this two. Okay, take, and what's the max? Max will always be the highest. So it will be never possible like average of something will be greater than max of something. It will be never possible as per maths logic. So this is what I have asked you in the live stream, is like ki, what is your observation in this? What is your observation in this? Okay, so this is the thing, this is the maths behind it. And so here, anybody have any doubts till here related to the maths logic or related to this question and related to this concept? Please ask your doubts, right? Please ask your doubts in the live stream if you want to understand this topic and this logic again. Also, please ask your doubts if your doubts are related to SQL, Excel, Python for data analytics or Power BI. Please ask your doubts in this. Just give me 5 minutes break. Just give me 5 minutes break. I'm coming back. So we are back again in the live stream. Let's see what we have in the next question. So we have one thing, we have to find out the customer name. Let me write it here. The question is all about this. What happened? So we have to find the customer name where total quantity purchased by customer equal to average quantity bought by all the customers. Okay. So here what things we need to take care of? Customer name. ठीक है. Second, quantity. In that we will do a sum. Average of quantity. Quantity average, but all the customers average, right? All the customers average. ठीक है. All the customers, how many customers like are there in this table? For them we need to take out the average and then find the solution for that, right? So this is the thing. ठीक है. Let's see how many of like anybody have any doubt till here, like or if you want you can give your thoughts on this or give your observation on this related to average of quantity and all. If you just wait, like any requirement if you want you can say in this. Let me just copy it here and paste this related to question number 10. ठीक है. Let me copy the table name as well and let's write. Select everything from this and when I execute it, let's see what things do we have here. So here what things we need to take care of? We need to take care of customer name and quantity. ठीक है. Customer name and quantity, simple. Let me just write it here. Oops. Customer name and quantity. Let me just execute it. ठीक है. Here we need to do some aggregate वाला tricks and logic. ठीक है. Average of customers and sum of customers, but here we need to find like this. Select average of customers, average of quantity from this. ठीक है. And execute it. This is the thing. Let me write the quantity as well. ठीक है. Let's execute it again. So this is the quantity and this is the average of quantity. ठीक है. This is quantity and this is what? Average of quantity, right? So here what we need to find out, we need to give out some condition here. ठीक है. What's the condition we need to give out? We need to give sum of quantity as total quantity group by customer name. ठीक है. Group by customer name and when we execute it, what we can find out? We can find out like these are the total. Wait, let me see the question. अच्छा, total quantity purchased by customer equal to average quantity. So we have to find out the total quantity equal to average. ठीक है. So we can do like this, where sum of quantity equal to this. But let me tell you one thing, here whatever answer we get an answer related to this thing, related to this function. Like we need to do a round function here, okay? Round of this to 1, take and execute it. Take, let's see. Again I am doing this mistake. I have to write here having and execute this. So sum of quantity, what's the question all about? So total quantity is equal to this. No, we cannot find out any answer for this, but let me check out again. Like, are we doing the correct thing here? 3.8. If I do round of average and execute it, it is 4. Okay, let's remove this 1 and let's see do we get the answer for this. Okay, so we have got the answer for this right now. Why right now? Because we have to make it round to the next round function. Okay, so like 3.8 will be 4. How 3.8 will be 4? It should be like that, something like some decimal point, like having zero point 0.5 or greater than 0.5, it will be moving to the next number. Okay, so here it is 3.8 and 3.8 round function will give you 4. So those customers who are having 4 as a sum of quantity will get this in the output. Okay, I mean to say their name will be there in the output, right? Sorry. So anybody have any doubt till here related to this, related to, I mean to say, the round function and all those stuffs? If you have any doubt in this, you can just ask your doubts in this live stream. I am ready to help you out in that. Anybody have any doubt in this question related to this round function, or related to this average of round, and why we have got answer in this? Like earlier we have did round of 1 but we have not received the answer. Like if you have any doubts in this, you can ask your doubts, right, related to this. Hey, hi, welcome to live stream. Hi Ashitak, welcome to live stream. I am good. How are you? How are you, Ashitak? How are you? How was your interview and all? Like, how are you? I am good today. Just solving out just questions and clearing out some doubts. So, anybody have any doubts in the live stream? They can ask your doubts. So, if you have any doubts, in the live stream, you can ask your doubts related to this. If you have any doubts related to this topic, like how come round and average is used in this, like why we have not received any output in the earlier stage and right now we are receiving output. So if you have any doubt in this, please ask your doubts. So anybody have any doubts for this? Okay, we have one more query here. Like the interview was good, but I have some question that really made it difficult. I am sharing the sample example question to your email for help. Yeah, sure, sure. Please share it. Please share it. We will solve it. We will understand it and we will solve it. So okay, you send your queries. Okay, I have received your mail right now. I have received your mail. So I have received a data set. So what help do you need? If you can give me the questions here, I can help you out in this. Just ask your doubts related to this. Like, give me the question. Okay, we have received a query like, okay, the question are on sheet called practice exercise. It's an Excel workbook. Yeah, okay. Let me check. Yeah, practice exercise is the fourth number sheet. So, what question do you need for the help? Like, what question do you need to be solved? I think there are 32 questions. Sorry, not 22. There are total 32 questions. So you can ask your doubts like what question should be taken care of. So please give me the question number. Like question and difficulty, all the things are there. Okay, so we have one query. The first lookup exercise question we should do those. ठीक है. Okay, so we have question. Let me just open the Excel sheet here. Okay, let me just download it. Okay. So let's see what we have. We have like 2 3 4 and 5. Let me just show you here. 2 3 4 and 5. This one, right? ठीक है. This. So pull the unit price for each order from the price list using the product name in order sheet. Let me see. Pull the unit price for each order from the price list. Unit price from each order of the price list using product name in the order sheet. Product name is here. This. So we have to get the unit price here, right? Unit price here, right? So let's write it equal to v lookup. What we will do, we will take this data, then we will write the table array, and table array will be from what? Price list. This is the table array which we need to take care of. Okay. Then what is the column index that is taken care of? Column index, that is 2. Okay. And it should be exact match. Okay. Why this is coming? Okay, like this. So this is how we have got. Why NA mango Kent is not there? Mango Kent is there. These things are there. C11 price list. Oh, only C2 we have done, right? We have to take care of this. From C2 till C201 till C201. What is happening here? Let me just correct it. Then price list. This. Why spill is coming? Earlier it was there. Okay, we have one query from Parikshit. Hi Parikshit, welcome to live stream. Let's see once. Just wait a minute. Let me see. So okay, we have. I need your help for my project. Yeah, please share your project in yours in my mail ID. I can help you out in this. Control C. This is my mail ID. Okay. Here, what's the issue? We have unit price. Let me write it here. Earlier it was coming. We lookup value. This table array should be this. Okay. It would be number 2 for the unit price. Let's 0. the formula attempting to enter the extent beyond the edges. Why it is beyond the edges and all? Mm-mm. And why it is like this? It's in general format. Price list is in custom. Okay, it's in custom format. If I write this in this currency and change it to this currency, let me then also same issue. Why is it happening in this? Okay, if I write 20, will I get no? This also answer I'm not getting. Avocado hash. I don't know why answer I'm not getting. Okay, let's see. Why it is showing like this? At the rate. Price list is in USD in custom. Which is currency mode number format USD. Okay, still it is showing like this currency. It's in general format. There is some issue going on. Okay, we have two questions from here. Can you show me how to import data from the server they send me? Database name IP. Is it possible to give a reply from the mail in live stream and give insight about the project? The thing is ki right now I can show you that, but the thing is ki related to this thing, whatever like what SQL environment you are using, ask first say that. And next thing is like my system is actually connected to the VPN. So the thing is like if I disconnect this, my hourly payout will be zero right now, to be honest. So it is better to, I would say, ask your client related like I'm using this SQL database or this SQL RDBMS, and can you help me out in that for the IPs and all? Okay, because we also used to do the same thing. We also do the same thing, to be honest. Like it is connected. I don't know. Like have they given you any VPN thing or something like that? They have given or what? Because for me, VPN to be connected, then only we can import the data from their database and all the stuffs. So have they given you some VPN kind of thing, or have they told you just to import it like that? Right. So if you can answer it. what is the issue here, to be honest. It's the issue here. So okay, we have one query. No, it's just a demo project. Okay, so you do one thing, just ask them like this SQL environment I'm using, but because for me right now I have to remove the VPN and all, do all those stuff. So ask them like, do I need any VPN or something for the demo project and all. If you can ask them, it would be really helpful, because whatever VPN they might be using or whatever process they might be using might be different. ठीक है, ठीक है, if you can ask them. Let's see, for this same data it is showing data here, but for here it is showing this A1 to A11. Okay, let me do one thing. Okay, I think we have to, yeah, we have to add a dollar here. ठीक है. Okay, right now it's okay, but why is this not coming? Okay, okay, understood. ठीक है. So question, let me see. Okay, we have one query from Ashitak. Like, yeah, even for me during interview I could not do it. Okay, let me tell you one thing. What's the issue? What I have find out here, see, when I have seen this, it was showing, if you go and check this, just copy it and paste it here. So Ashitak, first what I have done, I have used this formula. ठीक है. It was showing error. ठीक है. Why it was showing error? First thing first, why error? Let me tell you. It was showing error because what I have done, when I went to the next cell, it was showing like that, A2 to E12. ठीक है. That's why error was showing. Then what I have done, I have freeze the cell. ठीक है. To freeze the cell, what we have to do, we have to write A1. ठीक है. We are just freezing the cell, we are just freezing the table, right? What we are doing, we are just freezing the table. ठीक है. Like this. So right now when I freeze the table, what will happen? All the data will be shown you from the table. If you can check out here, it is like, see, A1 to A11 is showing. ठीक है. Right now if I click this A1 to A11, ठीक है, when I click this A1 to A11 like that, ठीक है. Earlier what it was showing, when I clicked on this cell, it was showing A1 to A11, in this A2 to A12, in this A3 to A13 like that. ठीक है Ashitak. So what we have to do, we have to just freeze the cell where we are getting the data. ठीक है. So when I have freeze the cell like this, when I have freeze the cell, what Excel has done is like, Excel has took data from the given freezed table and give you the output. ठीक है. Earlier what it was happening, it was going one row downside. ठीक है. It was going one row downside, due to which the same data was showing NA. ठीक है. So this is the error that we have find out and we have cleared it out. ठीक है. So if you have any doubt related to this topic, Ashitak, question number 2. If not, we will move to question number 3. ठीक है. ठीक है. I hope you got it, Ashitag, related to this. Right. Right. So I hope, Ashitag, you got the answer related to this. We have just freeze the table and then we have find the output. ठीक है. So should we move to next question? Ashitag, you can write a yes or a no. For this, you can write a yes or a no so that we can move to the next question. So Ashitag, should we move to next question? Okay, we have one query. My stream is behind, so even after I answered it, it takes time to reach you. Sorry for that. No need to be sorry. No worries for that. I have read your last question. Yeah, even for me during the interview, I could not do it. It was frustrated. Okay, so no worries. I hope you got it. If not, you can ask your doubts. In the meantime, let's move to the next question. ठीक है? Let's move to the next question. Next question is all about pull the tax rate for each order from the tax rate. Tax rate, ठीक है? This is there. Pull the tax rate from each order from the tax rate. Each order, okay. From the tax rate sheet using the city in order sheet. Using the city in order sheet. Okay. So from the city, okay, each and every city have their particular tax rate. ठीक है. Let me just write it. Tax rate. ठीक है. ठीक. What I will do now, just I will copy it here and I will paste as value. ठीक है. When I do paste as value, what will happen? This formula will get removed. That's why I'm saying. ठीक. Okay, we have one more query. Why do you put at the rate before CC? The thing is, I have not put at the rate. The thing is, in my WPS, actually I am not using Windows Excel. ठीक है. So anyhow, Windows Excel and WPS are like 90% similar kind of. So the thing is कि in that I have got a dialog box like the the formula that you have written will be go beyond the line and all. So when I have clicked yes, so at the rate came automatically. ठीक है. At the rate came automatically. So no need to worry about. If you go with the Microsoft Excel, right? If you go with the Microsoft Excel, in this at the rate won't be there. ठीक है. Actually in WPS I don't know why it is showing, but no need to worry about at the rate is nothing. ठीक है, this is just some WPS things. ठीक है, so no worries for that, right? No worries for that. So we have tax rate here, and we have to find out the tax rate as per the city. ठीक है, let me just increase this a little bit. We have to find the tax rate as per city. I will use the same VLOOKUP. Oops, sorry. Here I will take the city, full city. Then I will go to tax rate. I will copy this whole thing. ठीक है. Here I will give this dollar sign again because I don't want to repeat that mistake. Right. Then I will say column index. What column index it is all about? It is in third column. See, 1 2 3, it is in third column, and I want exact match. So if you want exact match, you can put 0 or 1 for true. So 0 for false and 1 for true. It is like that. And see, like this kind of dialog box you will receive. ठीक है, मतलब in WPS Studio, no worries for that. And if I do yes, see, automatically this at the rate comes into picture. ठीक है, if you can see this Ashitak, automatically at the rate comes here. So it is just a WPS thing, so no worries for that, right? What is happening? It got crash, I don't know why. Okay, so we got the answer. I don't know why it was showing 0 0 earlier, and so we have received all the data here, if you can check out. ठीक, and if I do this, where is it, filter, you can see there is no NA present here. ठीक है, there is no NA present here, right? Ashitak, I hope you can get it. ठीक, so I hope you get. Okay, we have one more query. Yes, I have seen it. It comes automatically. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it actually comes automatically, and this is for the WPS. But if you go on with the Microsoft Excel, na, these things won't happen. So no worries for it. Okay. So I hope you got it. You want to understand something related to VLOOKUP or related to this dollar sign for this question. I am just removing this filter. I have used the filter to show you, like, is there any hashtag NA or something like the previous column. ठीक है, so if you want to understand something related to VLOOKUP or related to this dollar sign, you can ask your doubts. Okay, we have one more query. I need you to explain why you are selecting the lookup value as a lookup range. We lookup value. Okay, lookup value as a lookup range. Good question. The thing is, see, in this column, if you check the city column, ठीक है, if you check the city column, why I am selecting this lookup range? Because in that column we have different data in different cell. ठीक है, if I select just one thing like F2, what will happen? It will give us data for F2. ठीक है, so to just remove this issue, what I have done, I have just selected the whole column. So in whole column, what will happen? Excel, what it will do, for that column it will go to each cell, like F2 it will go, then give the tax rate. It will go to F3, give the tax rate. It will go to F4, give the tax rate, like that. Okay. So I just want to tell Excel, like I want to get all those data from this particular column. Okay. Whatever particular column, whatever cell you are going through, just give me the data for the tax rate with the help of the tax rate sheet and the tax rate data. That is the reason I am doing it, right? Because see, anyhow I need the data for the full column in this table. That's why I'm just selecting the whole column and finding out the output for that, right? That's the thing. If you want, you can do like this, like C2 to C201, I think so. Okay, you can do that as well, but to be on the faster side and to be on the safer side, right, I am selecting the whole column. Okay, how come safer side? Because tomorrow, if like if I show you here, if tomorrow if someone add some data, wait, if oops if someone adds some data after 201, okay, if someone adds some data here, suppose I write Kenya, like that, okay. When I put all those data, this data will also get updated, likewise I'm saying, okay. That's why I'm saying that, right? That's the thing, okay. This is what it is all about. Oops. ठीक, that is the thing. So we have one more query. Yeah, I understood it. I always thought it was supposed to be a single value. Can we try it in X lookup? In X lookup you want to try what, like the same question related to tax rate. If you can give me the answer for that related to tax rate or what, let me give it to you. Is it related to tax rate? Is it related to tax rate or like unit price? Whatever column you want, you can just say it in the live stream. You can just say it in the live stream. Okay, we have received a query. Yes, the same question related to tax rate. Okay, let me see in X lookup, right? Tax, I would say X lookup. Okay, let me do it. Let me see, do we have X lookup in this WPS Studio? That's the main thing. Let's do this. I think we have X lookup. We have to take now what here, if you see, we have to take the lookup value. Okay, I mean lookup, that is will be the same column here, right? After that, what we have to take out, we have to take out the array. Okay, where is the array? Here. So we will be write this and we will give this dollar sign here. ठीक है, After that what we will do, we have to give the return array. ठीक है, what's the return array here? ठीक है, for return array we need exact value, so we will add 0 here. ठीक है, let's add 0 here for that. Oh no no no, sorry, return array ना, return array is the third one, third column. ठीक है, and 0. Yes. Okay, why value is coming here? Let's see. F of f, tax rate, x lookup. Let's see why this value is coming. Do we need to give this thing message also? We need to give kya? No message. Oh sorry, it's so here a issue is showing out. Let's see what's the issue here. Let's see. Why it is showing this. That's this value is showing, right? F of x. Let's write again. X lookup. Suppose let's take this city and let's take the tax rate. For this let's take 3, let's take 0. For this let's take $sign, control V. F2, it is showing the same thing. Let's see why it is like this. Let's see. This is the same formula. Let me just, this is the same formula I'm using. So anybody here in the live stream, they can just take this and then just see what is the issue here. Here tax rate is okay. Earlier it was showing here, to be honest. Earlier it was showing in VLOOKUP. I don't know why not it is showing in X lookup. Let me see why not in. So anybody in the live stream, anybody can help us out in this. Why it is not showing to us in this. Let me check one. City is in general. City is in general. Country is okay. City is general. Tax rate percentage. Tax rate, no worries. We can add this in percentage. Let me check. Thing is, issue is there. No, not yet. Same issue is there for this as well. No. Spell. Why spell is coming? If I write F2 to F202, suppose, then also this is coming. In VLOOKUP it was showing no error was there, but let me see what's the issue. So anybody in the live stream can help us out. Okay, hi Vic, welcome to live stream. So we have an answer with Vic. Hi Vic, welcome to live stream. So what after rates? Wait, after rates, you need to write this way, I think. Space after. No. टैक्स रेट, एक्चुअली टैक्स रेट ही तो है इधर. दिस इज द सेम थिंग वी हैव डन फॉर वी लुकअप एज वेल. ठीक है. सो विक द थिंग इज फॉर वी लुकअप वी हैव डन द सेम थिंग, राइट. We have done the same thing for VLOOKUP. It is showing us the output, but for XLOOKUP I don't know why it is showing. Let me see what can be the. Should I just copy this and go here and paste it with XLOOKUP? No, still value is showing, but for VLOOKUP it is showing here, right? I don't know what's the issue going on. VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP is there, X to X. Let me write it again. Let's see. XLOOKUP, ठीक है. XLOOKUP we took it. Lookup value is the city. ठीक. Lookup array will be from here. Wait, again I'm doing x lookup. This is, suppose let's take this as a lookup value. ठीक है, I will take till the end. Then I will write 3. I will write 0. Enter. No, same thing. And I have to just write this, otherwise issue will be there. Control V, V, and V. Still. X lookup. So anybody have any solution for this? Should we check? I don't think this will work, but city is coming. Let me just see if there is any data issue. No, no issue is there. No data issue is there as well. Everything is working, to be honest. There is some heavy issues, so I don't know why it is happening. And value is coming, it is not coming hashtag NA. Like if you have checked this out, everyone in the live stream, it is not showing NA like X lookup and I mean like V lookup, right? It is showing value. So that is the reason I have used trim. What if, let's see, let's see. Oops, sorry. This I have to use if error. I don't think so it will. I don't know why hashtag value is coming. See, issue is there. Because this is what I find out, like it should come like hashtag NA kind of thing. Okay. I don't know why it was only showing hashtag value. So issue is there, to be honest. So now what issue is there? Let us find that out. So let's do this thing as well. Let's do trim. Let's do some data cleaning here, and then also issue is there. Then also this issue is there. Let's see what can be the value. So anybody in the live stream can provide a solution. Okay, in X look. Okay, hi, welcome to live stream. Welcome to live stream. We have used, okay, we have two queries. Like in X lookup, he need range, not column. That's why V lookup work, because column work. on V. In X lookup, use the range, not the column. I have used it. I have actually used it. If you see, I have used already. Have used it. Okay. I have already used the same thing. It is showing a new error like spill. I have already used it till here. See, it is 2. F2 is there. Sorry, F2 is there. Okay. And I have went till here. That is F201. Okay. So okay, sorry. So when I have done this also, F2 to this, it is showing the error. If I also remove this thing, it is showing the error of spill, right? I have done the same thing, and like earlier I have done the same thing related to this. Okay, we have a query here. Let's see. Let's copy this and paste it. So G2, not G2, it's F2. Okay, no worries. It's F2. I am doing this F2. Okay. Let me just copy it again. Let me just copy it again and wait. It's F2. Okay. Let me just copy this again and paste it here. Okay, it is showing. Right. Okay, it is showing right now. Correct. So have you used only this thing? Matlab, you have used, okay, but how we have used it? Tax rate, then tax rate, issue and zero. Like, what's the thing behind it? Can you explain? Like, nice thing here. That's a good one. Okay, wait. So we have received this. So what's the logic behind this? Can you tell me? It's a, like, you have just added the same thing. Acha, A1 and C cell. You have took the A cell and you have took the C column. Okay, right. Correct. You have done the correct thing. You have only took the city column and you have took the rate column. ठीक है, correct. F2 and this. So what we were doing mistake is like, where is it? We were doing mistake is like, we have just copied only one cell, right? We have not copied the, I mean, we have only just took the one column, not the second column. That's it, right? Range, that's why. Okay. We have only copied like from A1 to C. Okay. So you have took a column to column range. Okay, that's a good one. Yeah, thanks, bro. Thanks for the answer. Thanks for the answer. Because in VLOOKUP it was working, but in XLOOKUP I don't know. Like, that's the acha, you are saying for this range related to this, like A1 to C8. Okay. Right. Correct. So you took a simple A column and then took a C column. Only that's it. Good one. The good one, yeah. That's a good one. I was taking a range. So in X lookup, range does not work. Yeah. Matlab, it does not work. I think so. But anyways, thanks. Yeah. Really thank you. Because we were really seeing lots of things. I don't know why it was not happening. But really thank you for this. In VLOOKUP it was working properly. In XLOOKUP, man, it was a issue is there. Right now we have this question. Oops, let me just copy this and paste as values. We do the same thing, copy and paste as values. Okay, right now the formula is removed and right now we can work on this. Okay, we have one more query. Thanks. Yeah, okay, that's a good thing. And we have one more query. Column number does not work in XLOOKUP, only VLOOKUP. Okay. That's a good one then. That's a good one. Column number. Okay then. It is from one. It is like from particular column, one particular column to another particular column. Okay. So we need only city and tax. So we have selected only city and only tax column and we have find out the answer. That's a correct one. That's a really good one. So if can we do this in this as well, like unit price for XLOOKUP? Let's do it. Let's do this thing once. I will take the unit price for XLOOKUP. ठीक है, equal to XLOOKUP. ठीक है, and in this also wait, price list product is there. ठीक है, so where is the product? Product is this C2. ठीक, then I will take from this product detail, I will do this dollar sign here. Let's do for this. ठीक है, and then we will take the unit price as well. ठीक है, we will take the unit price as well. ठीक, right, then comma, I will say the second one and exact value. Okay, what is happening? I think I have done some mistake. What is happening here? Let me just write it again. XLOOKUP. ठीक है, product is there. ठीक, then I will go here. I will go from this to this. Dollar sign will be there and let's Control C, Control V. And in XLOOKUP, sorry, I have did a mistake. In XLOOKUP we do not need to write this thing, column number. We will just write this, any message we will write and we will needing the exact. Okay, right now we got it. 2.2 is the answer for this. Correct. So we got it for the unit price in using XLOOKUP as well, and I have also learned the technique to find the value using XLOOKUP. So thanks to him, thanks to you, thanks to sorry, I cannot pronounce it, 7898. Thank you for that. Okay, we have 2-3 queries. Rather than typing dollar sign, you can use F4. Actually, in this Mac, I don't know why F4 is not working. I have used F4 as well. In Windows, it works. I don't know why in Mac it is not working. I have used F4 because see, in Windows, if you write F4, you will get the dollar sign automatic. The cell will get into dollar sign, like $B, $1 it will get. In Mac, I don't know why it is not happening. Maybe due to this WPS thing. Maybe due to this. I think it is not working. In Mac, I don't know. That's, and maybe a Mac, maybe for the WPS issue. I think for the WPS thing and Mac, it's not working. I've used it. I've used F4 to be honest. In F4, what happens is like the cell automatic, like B1 is there, the cell automatically get dollar in front of b and dollar in front of 1, right? In Windows I have gone with it, so I don't know why it's not working for WPS and Mac. Maybe some issue with that, but anyways, really thank you to 7898 and Vic. Thank you for this as well. And also we have learned how to use XLOOKUP. In that we have done the experiment in the unit price as well, right? Thank you for this. So should we go to next question? So it is like use index match instead of XLOOKUP, okay, to pull the unit price. Both should give the same result. Index match. Acha, this question was used in XLOOKUP. Okay, they have used this thing A to C. Okay, I should have seen this thing, but anyways, I should have seen this hint. I have used VLOOKUP, that's why I have not seen this. So we have to find out the same answer for the unit price, right? Okay, we have one query from 7898. It's like try function plus F4 or command T. Okay, let's see. Suppose I write J203 command T. No, command T is not. Function plus F4 I am using. No, function plus F4 it's not working. In F4 what is coming, this search option is coming in F4. In F4 the thing is the search option is coming, and function plus F4 I am using, the search option is not showing in this. I mean the dollar option is not showing, to be honest. No, it is when I go to cell and put this thing, it becomes center like this. And when I go here and when I click F4, the search option comes into picture, and function plus F4, no, command T, no, it's not working. I think for this WPS issue is there, because in F4 search option comes, right? And for function and F4 it is not showing anything. So I think it's an WPS plus Mac ka issue, what I believe. 7898, what I believe it is for that. Right, I hope there's a issue with this only. So this is the question. Okay, everybody in the live stream, like also 7898, you can also take this question and say what it is all. So the question is, we have to find the unit price. Okay, we have to find the unit price but using index. ठीक, right, we have to use the unit price, use index match. Okay, instead of XLOOKUP or VLOOKUP. ठीक है, we can use anything instead of XLOOKUP or VLOOKUP. We have to use this index match. So let's see how can we find this out. Let's see with this. So others in the live stream, you all can also practice side by side related to index match, right? So first thing first, what is index match? Index match, let me tell you one thing to everyone in the live stream. It is just like same as like VLOOKUP. What VLOOKUP does and XLOOKUP does is like they take a value, take a data from you and they match it. Same thing it will happen. Okay. Okay, we are like try adding equal to, then select. Okay, let's go with this. suppose this is O2, ठीक. Suppose I like this, ठीक. Wait, what you told? Try, add, then select one. Okay, let me see. Equal to O1, ठीक. Then okay, function F4. Yes, function F4 is working. Fn plus F4 is working. It's working, right? Function plus F4 is working, correct? So equal to should be there. That is what I am saying. Okay. Okay, done. So thank you for this answer as well. Okay, we have one query from Shiva. Hi Shiva, welcome to live stream. Let me write it. Hi Shiva, welcome to live stream, and also thanks to 7898 for the answer, and also for function plus F4. Thank you for that. Really, thank you for that. Right. So we have one query from Shiva. Like, I have sent one PDF about my new project. Can you tell me what I do over the first step? Because when I connect with server, more database in data set, a little bit confusing to me. Okay, let me do it. Let me connect it. Let me do it and see. Let me see. Have I received a mail? First, let me check this out. Where is it? I haven't received it, but I think I will receive it, Shiva. I think due to VPN connectivity, the issue is there. No worries for it, right? No worries for that. We will check this out. We will check this out. Once I receive the mail, Shiva, I will reply it to you. Okay? So for index and this, let me use index. For index we have to wait, what was the question? I only forgot. So the question is all about unit price, right? You have to find the unit price. So in this, let me see. Unit price is in which thing? Here. So here is the unit price. Okay. Function F4. Okay, correct. Done. Function F4. Done. Correct. Index match. I will match this with what? Match this with product. match this with product. ठीक है, and what was the question? Match this with product. ठीक है, and after matching this with product I will say to select this thing, right? F4 and this comma 0. Okay, we got the answer. ठीक है, so this is what index match is all about, right? I hope you got it. Related to Ashitak, I hope you are there in the live stream, you got it. What is index match? If you want to explain, I can explain you this. ठीक है, what happening in index and what happening in match. ठीक है, what happening in index is like, first thing first, in index you see I have given a column name. So the column, what it represent like from what data set or from what table or from what sheet we want to return the output. ठीक है, if you are seeing here, I am saying to Excel like index price list, from the price list sheet. Okay, we have one more query. Yes, I am here and I am doing it, following up. Yes, correct, Ashitak. Let me should I make you understand about this topic related to index and match, what it is all about? See, in index what happened, we are saying to Excel to go to price list and take the column. ठीक है, the column that should be there in the output. So in price list, if you go and see, this is the column what should be there in the output. ठीक है, B column should be there in the output. So this is what we have told, right here. Then we are saying, ठीक है, then we are saying in match we are saying like we have to get the data with respect to the data that is there in the price list. We are saying like in price list we have product data, here also we have product data, so the matching data is what? Product data. That's why we have told in match, see this is to Excel like this is the matching data, like C2 is the matching data in order and price list. So from this data, ठीक है, from this data what you do, you have to do a search. ठीक है, simple, you have to do a search. What you will search from this? You will search the same thing in the price list. ठीक है, in match match is what's the name suggest? In match just match the data. ठीक है, we are saying Excel to match the data. We are saying Excel like match this product data, this cell with this column. ठीक है, if this product column is being matched with this product column, then give us this output. ठीक है, like I have told you in Excel, first the inner query, I mean the inner formula execute, then the outer one. So first what it will do, it will match with this product in orders sheet to the price list, this column. ठीक है, A1 column. ठीक है, it will match, and once it get match, what you will give me? You will give me this output. This output where we will get in the price list, which is the B column. ठीक है, I hope you get it. Ashitak, I hope you got the answer. If you have any doubt, you can ask it, right? No worries for that. If you have any doubt, you can ask it. This is what index and match all about. Match, what it will do, that is the inner query, or you can say the inner formula. Match, first it will match it. First it will match the data from one sheet to another. It will match. We have told from order sheet. Okay? Then it will give the output, right? This is the thing. Acha, they have given it. Okay, right now we have one more query, like pull the unit price and tax rate in one single formula that calculate the final unit price including tax. Unit price and tax rate. Okay, let me see. Okay, yes, I got it. Chalo, okay, that's good. Now let's move to the last question. Unit price and tax rate. So where we will get unit price, here we will get, oh sorry, so this is where we will get the output. Control C, paste as values. Okay. Right now, what is the question? Unit price and the tax rate in one single formula. Pull the unit price and tax rate. Unit price in this, tax rate in this. Where is it? And then calculate. And then what we have to do? We have to calculate the final unit price. Okay, we have to calculate the final unit price. How to do it? Final unit price from this to this. Tax rate and unit price. Final unit price should be here. Okay. Let's take this question. Control C. So anyone in the live stream, they can also practice it out. Good question. Let's see what we can do. Unit price and tax rate. One single formula we can take the X lookup. Okay, because here they haven't told to do index and match and all those stuffs. Okay, we can take the X lookup here, right? Final unit price including tax. So what's the formula for this? Unit price equal to unit price plus this. This is what all about. Okay, this is what I have done manually. What we have to do is like, they haven't told anything related to index and match, right? So let's use VLOOKUP here. Okay, in VLOOKUP it will be easy for us to understand, right? So let's do VLOOKUP here. Okay, let's first think what should be done. Let's see what should be done in this. So this is what it is. Like, we are not changing into percentage, we are just taking care of this, nothing else. So we have to use two VLOOKUP here, okay, because two data we have to find out. So let's see what's the common in between them. Unit price we have got with product, and tax rate we have got with city and country. So there is no common data as well. So we have to use two VLOOKUP. First VLOOKUP for this, second for this. Can we do like this? I don't think it will work. But let's do. Let's take VLOOKUP for what? Let's take VLOOKUP for the unit price here for product. Then we will go to the unit price and here what we will do, we will go to 2 and you will go to 0. Okay, then we will add. I don't think it will work. I don't think so it will work, but let's see. VLOOKUP Here what we have city, and city data here we have comma 3 comma 0. Oh, we got the output. So here we got the output, I think. Yeah, we got it. So it's unit price plus tax. So we got the output here. So simple, we have used I think 2 VLOOKUP and we received the output. That's the thing, I believe. Yeah, that's the thing, right? So we have used 2 VLOOKUP and got the output. Like we have added the unit price and we have added the tax rate. Actually the tax rate is not in percentage. If the tax rate would be in percentage, we would have used a different formula for that. For percentage what we have used, like the number plus the percentage, ठीक है, मतलब 12 divided by 100 we would have done it and we have received the output. So we have received it. I hope you got it, Ashita, related to this. I hope you got it. Let me just give you the formula for it. This is the thing. We have just done adding up to VLOOKUP for this. Like why two separate VLOOKUP? Because the thing is, one data we have to take from the this thing, what we say, one data we have to take from the product and another data we have to take from the city. That's why if we would have same column, now we would have added just we would have used just one VLOOKUP and got the output. Okay, that's the thing. I hope you got the answer for this related to this, right? Here they have used 2v acha, they have used 2x lookup. Same thing, 2v lookup or 2x lookup, whatever you can use it. Either, because they have not told related to anything, like you can use x lookup or v lookup, something you can use any, right? Let me save it. And let me, oops, sorry, send you this file. So I have sent you the file with the data and all. Right, so I hope you got it related to this. I have sent you a mail, Ashita. I have sent you a mail related to this. Right, so if you have any more doubt, you can ask your doubts, okay, either in the mail, like you can ask your doubts, or if you want to revise it, we have this live stream, right? Let me I will send you the live stream link, I mean video link as well, so that you can repeat it and you will get the you can revise it again, okay? Because this video will be uploaded in my YouTube channel. I mean, I automatically set this thing ki it will automatically, this video will get uploaded to my YouTube channel, so no worries for that, right? I will send you the video link as well, so that if you want you can revise it. If you want to ask again, please ask your doubts again, right? That's the thing. Okay, we have one more query. Yes, I have seen the email. Okay, and also one more thing, thank you once again, bhai, and everyone for your help. Yeah, really thank you. Thanks to you, Ashitak, for asking the questions, and also thank you to Vic and 7898. Thanks to both of them for helping us out. Really, thank you. It was really a good interactive session with everyone. Really, a good interactive session. So, thanks to Ashita, thanks to Vic. I think they are not there in the live stream, I think so. But, anyways, really thank you to them. Really, thank you to Vic and 7898. They have helped us a lot in this. That's the thing. And let's see once again. And also, okay, we have one query from Shiva. Can check once your mail. Yeah, I have checked it. I have just sent a mail to him, and right now I have received. Uh, I don't know why it is not showing related to your mail. Shiva, send once again. Okay, once again send it, and once I receive it, I will reply it to you. Right? No worries for that. No worries for it. Ashita, where are you from? Like, you are from where? Like, I mean to say, from which location? If you want to share it. Uh, okay. So it's 10:20 right now. So let's do one thing. Okay, we have one more query. I am from Kenya. Yeah, nice. Yeah, nice. Kenya means Yulit Kipchoge. Like Yulit Kipchoge is from Kenya, right? The thing is, I am into marathon running. That's why I'm saying. And he is a really, matlab, what I say, best marathon runner ever. So he is from Kenya, like Yulit Kipchoge, and I am also into marathon. That's why I'm saying, like, he is one of my favorite athlete, like this 0159. That's his record. I don't think someone has broke this record. I don't think so. Okay, we have, yes, he is. You know Yulit Kipchoge. You love what he does. Kenya, yes, yes. I am a marathon runner as well. I am also into marathon running. That's why I'm saying. So I am also into marathon running. That's why I know that. And even though I see videos from NN running, if you know this NN running or NN running from YouTube channel, right? I have seen a lot of video from this NN running from YouTube channel, right? NN running, because in this YouTube channel NN running, I have seen all the videos related to food, practice, and training, everything from marathon point of view, right? I have seen everything. Practice, sorry. Sorry for the spelling mistake. Training, right? I have already subscribed to their channel related to NN running. Really, they are the best one. NN running team. And I am also into, and yes, you are correct. Indians, like we Indians love cricket. Like yesterday, only India has won the T20 World Cup. So yesterday only our country had got a victory in the finals. So I also love cricket, but I am mostly into marathon running because I'm mostly into marathon running. That's the thing. And every day I run 10 kilometers every day, right? Every day I run 10 kilometers because that's my favorite part, really. And if you ask me how many marathons I have run total two marathons, full marathon, right? And five half marathon, right? Two full and five half marathon I have run in total, right? And every day 10 kilometers. It's okay. We have one query from Shiva. I sent right now mail. Can you check once? Let me check. Let me check. No, bro. I have Shiva. I have checked it. I have checked. There is no mail right now. To be honest, I think due to VPN, this lag is there. Due to this VPN, I think lag is there. I think so. Okay, we have one more query. I love Indian movies a lot because of how they exaggerate. Yeah, Indian movies and Indian food. These are the best in the world. To be honest, not but yeah, they are the best. If you ask me, I love Indian food and Indian movies. I love that. Okay, we have one more query. 10 kilometer every day, bro. This is crazy. Why do you love this marathon? I hate running, bro. Marathon. The thing is, when I was in class 12, like in school time, during 2012 and 2013, I was introduced to this sports, right? I was introduced to this sports like marathon, and the best part is it is individual effort. That's why the best part about marathon is it is individual effort. That's maybe that is the main reason I love marathon running. Maybe that is the main reason. Like really, I love marathon like hell. To be honest, if you check out my Instagram ID, earlier I used to post. Let me give you this Instagram ID. The thing is, earlier I used to post the running and all. If you see this thing, let me show you. Let me show. I don't think it will be shown here. Where is it? If you check out my workout history, it's every day. It's everyday running is there. If you check out my workout history, it's every day. It is there every day related to the workout history. If you check it, every day I go to run for marathon. Not marathon, but 10 kilometers every day. I use this Amaze Fit. That's it. So if you can see, every day running is there, and today it's like that. This thing. I really love to run. I really love to run a lot. If you so see, if I get any chance, I will come to Kenya and run on that ground in Kaptagat. There is one place called Kaptagat. There, the thing is, there is a place called Kaptagat. I might be wrong with the pronunciation. There is a ground where where all the athlete practice, right? I have seen an NN running, right? Okay, we have one more query. I think your change mail ID or same mail ID previous we connect in mail. Na same mail ID. This is the same mail ID. ठीक है. No, I think mail ID is okay, no worries for that. Due to this VPN issue, I think the thing is that due to this VPN issue, I think there is a issue. The mail ID is same, no worries for it. Okay, we have one more query. This is really nice. I see you also love cooking from your Instagram post. Wait, let me give you one more thing. Yeah, if you check out my next, I mean, if you check out my this YouTube channel, my backup YouTube channel, this one. Actually, this is my backup YouTube channel. You will see I post cooking videos each and every day, right? Where is it? So if you check out my this YouTube channel, this is my backup channel, YouTube. uh, this is my backup channel in YouTube. In this you can go and see I do POV cooking. Mostly I do POV cooking, and actually this is my interest. Cooking is my hobby, to be honest. So this is just a side hustle I do, and I post videos every day, just like I post videos and do live stream every day in my this channel. So I'm also fond of cooking. That's okay. We have one more query. Yeah, there is Kaptagat. Correct, correct. Most athlete, even Europeans, come here to practice because of high terrain, right? High terrain is there, and all the top level athletes they practice there. All the top level athletes I have seen in NN running, all the top level athletes means they run. Malab they create records there. Kind of malab. Really, I really feel very nice. Like I have a dream. Like if I get chance one day, I will come there and I will do running and practice, but I don't know when. But it's my dream. Like one day I will be coming to Kaptagat, Kenya, and I will practice there and I will run there. It's a dream for me. I don't know when this will happen, but let's see. Do you cook only Indian food or also food from other countries? Only Indian vegetarian food. uh, Indian veg food. For me, eating is my hobby. Okay, okay. That's a good thing. That's a really good thing. So that's the thing. Okay. Okay, we have one more query. I try to run every day more than 1 kilometer below. I cannot control my breath and stop immediately. Can you suggest me how to control it when we want to have long kilometers? See, like running, related to running, I would say it's all about mind control. Okay, it is all about mind control, right? Before completing a marathon, or like before completing any like 10 kilometer or 21 kilometer or 42 kilometer, you have to first complete that round in your mind, then only you can complete it physically. Because the thing is, it is all about mind game, to be honest. It is all about mind game. If you have you have to control your mind. You have to say your mind ki no, one more kilometer, and you will have to complete it. Because the thing is, if you go for 10 kilometers, 21 or 42, at some point of time, doesn't matter how much you practice, at some point of time you will feel like ki you should stop it then and there. But you should practice your mind, you should train your mind like that, one more kilometer, like that. So first of all you have to make up your mind, you have to should be strong from your mind, complete that much kilometer, whatever kilometer you have a target, you have to complete that much kilometer first, and then you have to complete it physically, because that's really tiring. Doesn't matter how much you practice. Okay, we have one two queries. For me, I want to come to India, eat food, and see the beauty. Oh, okay, okay. We also have many Indians in Kenya. Okay, nice. Some even know local language, and here many Indians are very rich. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. Nice. Yeah, please, sure, sure, come to India. No worries. And yeah, food is good in India. Food is tasty, like best, I would say. Best. You go for veg, you go for non-veg. Everything is best, right? That's a good thing. That's a good thing. So, okay then, it's 10:30 right now. And Shiva, once I get your mail, I will check it out and I will reply it to you, right, Shiva? Once I get your mail, I will check it and I will reply it to you, right? So in the meantime, thank you everyone for joining. It's 10:30. I have also not seen the time. So anyways, it's 10:30. Let's close the live stream right now. And thank you everyone for joining the live stream, asking me doubts, and also helping us. Really today, lots of people helped us related to the Excel queries. I mean to say the logic, the techniques, the formula. Really thank you to them. Really thank you, because due to them we have learned a new lots of new things, we have practiced as well, right? That's the thing. So thank you everyone for joining, thank you everyone for asking doubt. And also we have one more query. Good night, bye. Yeah, good night brother, good night. Good night Ashita, good night, and good night everyone. So okay then, let's meet tomorrow again in the new live stream. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy coding, happy learning, and happy querying. So bye bye everyone, and thank you for joining the live stream.